There was a wizard at night. In his castle is where he resides. So high in the clouds, when the rain falls down onto his castle, where he stays at night. Wizard in the rain. In his castle in the rain, wash away the pain with spells. Magical wizard. There was a wizard, so mystical, so whimsical, so magical, so much aura. He was all alone though, in his castle, casting magical spells, all through the nighttime, through the rain, looking through his window at the top of his castle with his spells. Was a wizard at night.